Everyone, welcome to CollectLo.com and thanks for being a creator on CollectLo.com. And I know you are writing on CollectLo.com. It will definitely will help you a lot, not only getting the traffic on your blog but also to get the clients. Now I see many people when designing thumbnail for the blog that they upload the banner size randomly. Okay, now there are some other people who are designing the banner in a very attractive way, like this one side is image, other side is content. Like this one side is again image and another side is content. There are other people who are just simply use the image which convey the content, like this one. This is here, you will see simple one image that actually conveying the topic of the content. This is the another example. So when you are writing the content, the very important part is your thumbnail design. Now how to design your thumbnail? On CollectLo.com, the thumbnail size is 900 by 525 pixel. To design thumbnail for your blog, you can use Canva.com. This is very simple tool to use. Here simply go to the create a design or click on a custom size. When you click on a create a design, go to the custom size and simply write 900 by 525 and here select pixel. Then create new design. Now here you can use different type of templates. You can simply search and design as per your choice. You can simply use the images also. And now if you are not finding the images on Canva, then you can use Pixabay. Here you simply search, let's say you are searching, let's say travel sale, and then hit the enter, click on the download, and from here you can download the image. This image that you downloaded, just upload here, go to this and just upload here from there. So this is downloaded now, and now you can simply adjust this image. Now go to the share button and from here download the image. Now here is another one more thing. When you are uploading the image, always upload the higher quality image. Now when you are downloading the image, you will see the size, okay, 487 KB. When you upload the image, that is more than the MBs. Image is getting blur. So to avoid that part, you can use tiny PNG. This will actually compress your image without losing your quality of your image. So simply just pick your image, and here you can see the size of the image is 67% reduced, but your quality of the image is same as it was earlier. So to design banner for CollectLo.com, what we did, first we used Canva.com from here, and then we compressed the image without losing the quality from the tiny PNG, TINY PNG. And then you can just simply go to your CollectLo.com dashboard, upload the banner image from here. Your blog is just updating. It will take hardly 1 second or 2 seconds. Now here you see a very attractive banner image. I hope you understood how to design thumbnail. Thank you so much.